Howdy folks, welcome back to WanderEats. Today I'm taking you guys to a hidden little spot in Gombak. It's a place called Thai Food Home Recipe. So basically it's a little small house here in the middle of Gombak and very hidden, quite hard to get here actually. And car park is not a plenty, but there are some. I'll just show you around. As you can see here, in the middle of the housing area. Of course, with simple food comes delightful culinary experience. They're off on Sunday, but they're open daily from 9:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Very popular with the school nearby, the students. This is their menu. These are their drinks. Okay, popular ones are this one and this one, of course these ones. Very reasonably priced as well. Look at the soup, Tom Yum soup, and the eggs. Oh my god, it looks so delicious. Definitely gonna order one, at least this one I think. And they have drinks as well here. As you can see, the menu very simple, homely, hearty meals. Yeah. Let's order their iced coffee. Wow. Very strong and very similar to Thailand. Awesome. The food has arrived. So this is the heart-shaped fried rice. And then here's the normal egg, 2 ringgit. And let's begin the meal. Here is the noodle. Try the noodles. You see a lot of cabbages, eggs. Good. Then try the egg. The heart-shaped rice. This is the spicy one that we ordered. Wow. You can taste, you can smell the spiciness straight away. Put some meat there. I think these are chicken or pork. So of course this place is not halal. Very nice kick to it. It's like borderline Tom Yum. Great place for lunch. While I finish this meal, do consider coming to this little quaint little place. Yeah, quite hidden, but worth the trip here for very simple home cooked food. Yeah, home cooked Thai food rather. Alright, till the next videos, just consider liking this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next one.